Video number 14. All you need to know about YouTube Shorts Fund. YouTube is introducing a new way to give creators the opportunity to build their audience. Here's how to prepare for it. What is YouTube Shorts Fund? YouTubers in select countries can vie for a piece of the $100 million YouTube Shorts Fund if their creators rise to the top of the heap of the most viral clips. Every month, YouTube says it will select thousands of eligible creators to claim a payment from the fund, which marks the first step in its efforts to monetize the short-form, TikTok-like video feature. The $100 million YouTube Shorts Fund will be distributed through the remainder of 2021 and into 2022. YouTube says it will notify creators who qualify for a bonus payment from the Shorts Fund the second week of each month in the YouTube app. They will then have until the 25th of the month to claim the bonus payment before it expires. All creators' YouTube Shorts videos will count toward their Shorts performance each month that they receive views, not just the month they were uploaded. The bonus payment amounts will be adjusted based on the channel's short performance and their audience's location. YouTube Shorts Fund. YouTube is rolling out the Shorts Fund and making the social media scene even more interesting. Each new feature gives creators more power while increasing the platform's competition with TikTok. To make the most of the YouTube Shorts Fund, you need to take a few steps. They involve getting to know the platform, your content, and the scheme. Here are the top 6 things you need to consider. Decide if YouTube Shorts is for you. If you're an avid TikToker, you already have a great place to share every fun moment in your life. What YouTube offers is an alternative that's constantly improving for new and existing users. Monetization is the latest perk for Shorts creators, who can earn their share of the $100 million set aside just for them. As YouTube elaborates in a blog post on the Shorts Fund, other tools to look forward to include filters, captions, infinite audio, and the ability to add images from your device. YouTube Shorts and its fund are all still works in progress, so they'll need time and your help to settle into a good pattern. Learn to use YouTube Shorts. After its success in India and the US, YouTube Shorts is branching out to the rest of the world. If you have access to the feature, dig right in and learn everything you can. Learn how to use YouTube Shorts and make the platform your own. For example, these mini videos always have to be vertical in layout, so prepare your smartphone too as your main recording and editing device. Learn how to attract viewers. Based on YouTube's policies, it'll be rewarding the most popular shorts. In other words, you need to make sure your videos draw viewers' attention, and the best way to do that is through research and practice. Even experienced creators need to stay on top of trends and best practices. How to become a virtual YouTuber, for example, is a growing interest and will influence Shorts too. Applying this and other popular methods can boost your visibility. Build and maintain your audience. A key point to remember is that you don't have to be in the YouTube Partner Program to be eligible for the fund. This means that at the time of writing, there are no set thresholds to worry about, like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. In terms of the Shorts Fund, it's a good idea to have your channel's many subscribers ready and waiting. This way, when the scheme officially launches, you can hit the ground running. Pay attention to functionality. YouTube will go through a lot of trial and error before Shorts and its fund are remotely ready for consumers. The best part is that you have a say in what works or doesn't. When you can use Shorts, expect requests for feedback, which you shouldn't ignore. Without user insights, the tool's developers won't know what to improve. Stay updated with new details. If you're excited about the YouTube Shorts Fund, make sure you stay informed. You'll see many changes in the coming months, both regarding the tool and its monetization. Taking an active interest in the whole process means you can jump on each new feature. No matter how long it sticks around, it can still benefit you, your subscribers, and your potential income. Be smart with your YouTube Shorts. The rules are still up in the air in terms of what channels will count as most popular and eligible for the YouTube Shorts Fund. Even so, you should be careful when it comes to designing your videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.